Welcome the our channel. Today we how to activate History Channel on Samsung TV step by step clearly. To activate the History Channel on your Samsung TV, start by turning on your TV. Press the home button on your remote to access the main menu. Navigate to the apps section on the screen. Once in the apps section, select the search option. In the search bar, type History Channel using your remote. Locate the History Channel app from the search results. Select the app, then choose Download or Install. Wait for the download to complete. Once installed, return to the home menu. Find and open the History Channel app. You will be prompted to sign in or activate your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to find the activation code. Using a smartphone or computer, visit the activation website provided in the app. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV screen. Sign in with your cable provider credentials if required. After completing this, go back to your Samsung TV. The History Channel app should now be activated and ready to use. Enjoy browsing and watching your favorite shows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.